Hello viewers, welcome back again to another section of this WordPress tutorial. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can easily view your website mobile version on your computer. So the process is very easy, and if you follow this video you are going to know how you can easily do that yourself. So before wasting much time, if this is your first time here, if this is your first time viewing any of my videos or this video in particular, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you need to know about this process is that previewing your mobile version of your website on your PC is very much possible. And in the last video I told you guys that to view your website mobile version you need to make use of your phone, and it will automatically show in the mobile version. But even with your computer you can still see how your website mobile version looks like. So in this video I'm going to show you two ways in which you can easily preview your website mobile version using your computer. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So let me tell you the reason why you need to preview your website mobile version. The reason is because you need to, after installing a theme, you need to check out how this theme looks like on mobile devices. So you don't need to start taking different mobile phones or smartphones and try to open your website on each of the web browsers to see what your website looks like on mobile devices. But you can check this out using your computer. When logged into your WordPress account, you can easily do this, and then you get to know how your website looks like on mobile devices. So, and secondly, you need to understand that 50% of website users or website visitors make use of mobile phones. So, and around 3 to 4% makes use of their tablet and so on. So it is important that you make sure your website is very responsive on mobile devices. It is very important, especially tablets and mobile phone, because higher amount of users are coming from those from that particular area to website. So even if you are using a very responsive theme, you still need to make sure your website or mobile device is really responsive. It is very important. Now let's go straight to the topic. The first step in checking out how your website looks in mobile device is to log into your WordPress account, and then after successfully logging in, the next thing you need to do is to go to the appearance section, and then you hit on the theme button, which is right here. After clicking on theme, you will see some of the themes that you have which you can easily pick from, and then you install or activate, or you can add new one using this button right here. So after doing that, picking the particular theme that you want, and then you click on customize button, which is the second option right below the theme option. So you have to click on the customize button, and then you wait for the page to load. The customize section is loading. So this is going to open up the WordPress customizer. It all depends on the kind of theme that you are using. So now, after opening this particular page, the preview of your theme is going to appear at the right side of the screen, covering almost 75% of the screen. So now what you need to do now is to scroll down, and you will find the button right at this very place. Make sure you are following me. Take a look at the cursor. As you can see, this is the computer version, this is the mobile version. So clicking on this button right here will show us how this website looks on mobile devices. So let's click on it and let's see how the website looks on mobile devices. So you have to click on it and then you wait for the stuff to load. You can see this is how our website looks on mobile devices. So as you can see, you don't need to pick your Android phone and start searching your website on the web browser. So you can easily just check using your computer as long as you are logged in into your WordPress account. So the second way you can check it is to make use of Google Chrome's DevTools device mode. So Google Chrome browser has some developer tools inside that you can use to check various things on your website, including a preview of what your website looks like on desktop mode, or on mobile mode. So it is very, very important you also use, but this one I think is much easier as long as you are logged in into your WordPress account. So the next one is very easy too. All you have to do is just to open your website. Let's go back and then I show you guys how you can do that. So once you go back to your dashboard, you need to open your website by typing your web browser or clicking on this button right here, and then you open a new tab. As you can see, open link in new tab. Then you wait for the site to load up. So to do this, it is very, very easy. You need to just click on any part of the page and then you right click, then you click on inspect. So this will bring out some code. With that code you can easily check how your website looks like. So after clicking on inspect, it will bring out some code. So in the developer, so this is the code that I'm talking about. As you can see, this is the code right here. So this is where you can easily check your website on, check the mobile view of your website. So it is very, 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 very easy, but I recommend you make use of the first one, which is very, very much easier. So it's easy to navigate, and with that you don't need to start making any settings on your Chrome browser just to preview your website mobile version. So guys, that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share and also hit the subscribe button if this is your first time here, and of course like this video. Bye.